Attention. This is an emergency message from the United States government. A malfunction has occurred in the High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, H.A.A.R.P, weather control system, resulting in the creation of highly dangerous supercell storms across multiple states in the United States. These supercells are exhibiting unprecedented strength and pose an immediate threat to life and property. Locations affected: Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, Missouri, and Minnesota. Details of the threat: supercell storms are producing intense tornadoes with wind speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour, hailstones larger than baseballs, flash flooding with rapid water rises. Instructions: seek shelter immediately, move to the lowest level of a sturdy building, avoid windows, monitor local news, tune into local media outlets for updates and instructions from authorities. Stay informed, follow directions from emergency officials and evacuate if instructed to do so. Emergency contacts: contact local authorities if you require assistance. Dial 911 only for life-threatening emergencies. Additional information: this is a life-threatening situation. Do not delay seeking shelter. Do not attempt to drive through flooded roadways. Stay tuned to this station for further updates as they become available.